What if I told you there is one simple not a pill, but a supplement that's been clinically shown to reduce prostate swelling and improve urinary flow? It is small, inexpensive, and available at every grocery store, and yet most men have no idea it can help them naturally reverse years of prostate inflammation, starting in just weeks. An enlarged prostate or benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH) affects more than half of men over 50. It causes frequent urination, weak flow, and sleepless nights. But here's the good news. Certain natural compounds in foods, particularly pumpkin seeds, have been proven to help shrink the prostate and restore normal function. Today you'll learn why this specific nut works, how it targets the root cause of prostate growth, and what you can do right now to protect your prostate for life. As men age, the body converts more testosterone into dihydrotestosterone (DHT), a potent hormone that triggers prostate cell growth. When DHT builds up, it enlarges the gland, pressing against the urethra and causing those prostate urinary symptoms. Inflammation and oxidative stress worsen the process, making them prostate stiff and swollen. Here's what pumpkin seeds, the #1 absolute nut for prostate health. They rich in phytosterols that naturally block the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, the same enzymes targeted by bipolar BPH drugs like finasteride. Phytosterols are plant-based molecules that look like cholesterol but act differently. They help reduce DHT levels inside the prostate tissue, preventing further enlargement. In a clinical trial, men who took pumpkin seed oil for 12 weeks experienced a significant reduction in their prostate size and improved urinary flow compared to placebo. This makes pumpkin seeds a natural side effect-free alternative to synthetic DHT blockers. Chronic inflammation is the heart of most prostate problems. Pumpkin seeds contain vitamin E, selenium, and antioxidant phenols that calm this internal fire. In animal and human studies, pumpkin seeds extract reduce inflammatory markers like TNF-alpha and interleukin-6 in the prostate tissue. Reducing these molecules improves elasticity, decreases swelling, and restores healthy urine flow. Phytosterols are plant-based molecules that look like cholesterol but act differently. They help reduce DHT levels inside the prostate tissue, preventing further enlargement. In a clinical trial, men who took pumpkin seed oil for 12 weeks experienced a significant reduction in their prostate size and improved urinary flow compared to placebo. This makes pumpkin seeds a natural side effect-free alternative to synthetic DHT blockers. One of the most frustrating symptoms of a BPH is waking up multiple times a night to urinate. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Foods found that men who consume pumpkin seed extract had fewer nighttime urinations and a better sleep quality after just 3 months. That means this one nut not only supports your prostate, it helps you rest, recovery, and regain your energy. Pumpkin seeds also contain omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, which support hormonal balance and reduce estrogen dominance. Another contributor, prostate growth. By balancing testosterone metabolism and lowering inflammation, these nutrients work synergistically to maintain a healthy prostate structure. It's a multi-layered defense, once that built right into nature's design. Most men are deficient in magnesium, and this deficiency worsens urinary symptoms and inflammation. Pumpkin seeds supply a healthy dose of magnesium, which relaxes the bladder muscles and improves urine flow. This helps reduce the constant urge to urinate, one of the most annoying effects of a prostate enlargement. If you're learning something new today, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future science-based health videos. Every week, we share powerful, evidence-backed strategies to help you stay healthy naturally. Eat a handful of pumpkin seeds daily. About 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw or roasted pumpkin seeds a day is enough. This delivers a steady stream of phytosterols, zinc, and magnesium, key nutrients for prostate repair. Sprinkle them on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt for easy integration, combined with the lycopene-rich foods. Pairing pumpkin seeds with the lycopene sources like tomato boosts antioxidant synergy and supports prostate detox. Lycopene protects prostate cells from DNA damage and inflammation. Stay hydrated but smartly. Drink water evenly throughout the day, but reduce intake 2 hours before bedtime to prevent night urination. Limit alcohol and caffeine. These stimulate the bladder and worsen BPH symptoms. Replace What's remarkable about pumpkin seeds is how they work quietly yet powerfully inside your body. Unlike drugs, they only mask symptoms. These natural foods support real healing, reduce DHT, easing inflammation, and restoring balance from within. Think of it as a daily maintenance for one of your most important glands, combined with a clean nutrition, movement, and smart hydration. These simple habits can transform how your prostate feels and functions. It's a small daily act, but one that pays off better sleep, confidence, and long-term vitality. Nature really does provide the best medicine. Your prostate isn't your enemy, it's simply reacting to hormonal and lifestyle imbalances. By nourishing it with natural nutrients, staying active, and keeping inflammation low, you can restore normal function and feel younger, stronger, and more confident. The body knows how to heal, it just needs the right tools.